song's about a friend of ours who learned to not be ashamed of the color of his skin. It's not easy being green, having to spend each day the color of the leaves. But I think it might be nicer being red, or yellow or gold, or something much more colorful like that. It's just not easy being green. Seems you blend in with so many other ordinary things, and people tend to pass you over, 'cause you're not standing out like flashy sparklers in the water or stars in the sky. But green is the color of spring, and green can be cool and friendly like tall like a tree, when green is all there is to be. It can make you wonder why, but why wonder, why wonder? I'm green and it'll do fine. It's beautiful and I think it's what I want to be. Tall like a tree.